What's up, everybody? I've just released 23 brand new automations in addition to the 20 whatever I already had on the website. And these are not like cheap, useless automations. They're actually going to be super crucial to helping you automate your business. For example, we've got one right here that allows you to collaborate with your team members, ensuring that you can respond to emails from Slack instead of Smartlead. You can also leverage these automations to create weekly reports for your clients. And there's different versions, right? So we've got a simple version. We've also got a complex version. And these are reports. If you look at this video over here, this is what a weekly report could look like. We've got a Hubspot two-way sync, ensuring that whenever you update a lead category on one platform, it also updates on the other platform. And I've got a video going over how you can do this. Creating tasks for calendar events. They're ensuring that whenever you have an event on your calendar and they don't accept the meeting, you can follow up and reach out to them. Auto-categorizing leads using AI. We've got a video for that. Smartlead calendar sync, ensuring that whenever a lead books a call on your calendar, the lead category is changed accordingly. We've got 3 automations for that. Monitoring high bounce and low leads. We've got 4 automations for that. Ensuring that regardless of your skill level, regardless of where you're at in the journey, you can leverage these automations and succeed. We've got adding DKIM, Dmarcs, and open tracking to your GoDaddy accounts. And this is an example of that. We've got a HubSpot Smartlead property sync, ensuring that your campaigns, your clients, your categories, all of that are added inside your HubSpot account, which is going to allow you to create reports within your CRM. We've got another one right here, which is the Smartlead client onboarding SOP. This one essentially allows you to automate your entire Smartlead experience. We've got another one, which is the Clay client onboarding SOP. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to download one of these to show you how easy it is to actually set up. And we're going to start with this responding to emails from Slack, and I'm just going to click on it. So we click on this, it just downloaded a brand new blueprint. And then we go over to our make.com account. And what we need to do is create a brand new scenario. And in this section, we're simply going to import the scenario. And so when I click import, I'm going to pick the blueprint that I've just downloaded, which is blueprint 701, and then I'm going to save it. And once I click that, it's done. Right? I don't need to do anything else, right? So we've already got all of this information. Now all I need to do is create a webhook. And so I'm going to call this just delete, right? So we got the webhook, we copy the webhook, and everything else is already there. The reversing the chat history, the iterator, the getting the chat history, and all of look at these formulas that we've got here. All of this is already there for you. The markdown formats, the different things, right? And this is optional. You can use ChatGPT if you want. You can ignore it if you don't. It's optional, but I'm still giving you the options, right? So if you want to use it like I do, then that's great. And we've got the posting messages to the Slack channel with a delay and timestamp, all of that. This is already done. And so if we were to simply grab this webhook, so the webhook that we've just got, go to our Smartlead account, create a webhook, simply paste that webhook over here, and then I'm going to call this too complex, because that's what this automation is for, right? It's to allow you to collaborate with your team members. And obviously this video goes into detail with what that looks like, right? So collaborate with team members, and then we choose an event type, which is going to be lead category updated to too complex, right? And then we're going to send a test webhook. And so when we send a test webhook over here, this is going to receive data, right? So let's do run this module only, right? So this is going to receive data that is then going to go into the entire automation. Actually, you know what that was doing? That was just getting the data type, right? So it's a JSON format that was just getting the data type. And so we actually need to rerun this, or maybe we need to refresh. I don't know. So, oh, there you go. So it's there now. So use existing data. Let's not go all the way to posting the message to Slack, though I see no reason why not. But let's just use existing data. Boom. So that got details from the webhook. We used the chat history. We reversed the array. And by the way, what reversing the array means is essentially ensuring that the email thread looks normal. Essentially, um, actually, you could just check out that video. We got all of that information. We got the chat history, put it in a long text, used converted it to Markdown format, which, oh, there it is. So the second one has the Markdown format, and then we use ChatGPT to output the text. And so this actually looks better when you're using the regular thing. So this is what it looks like in the thread. So we've got all of that. And by the way, I'm going to actually move this all the way to the bottom because this one is a really complex automation. But at the end of the day, it's something that you guys can set up, and it will not take you hours like it took me to set up. And that's the quality of all of these automations. They're all super, super useful. So I hope you find them valuable, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Cheers.